OpenAI just added a massive new feature, but here's a twist. Anthropic actually invented it first. Back in October 2025, Anthropic introduced this idea of agent skills. On a surface level, it might sound really technical, but it's actually quite simple. Here's how it works. A skill is just a folder with a markdown file that kind of acts like a training manual, and it tells AI how to do a task. But with an added twist, that it comes with an execution environment. You can think of this execution environment as a secure virtual computer inside your chat that gives AI a secure sandbox environment where it can run code, install tools, manipulate files without actually touching your computer. So to give you AI new skill like Claude Code or Codex, you don't actually have to write any complex code. You can just follow these 3 steps. Let's say you have a repository containing an application that processes invoices. In this repository, you can create a folder and call it something like process invoices. And inside this folder, you can create a file called skills.md. And at the top, you're gonna add a tiny little bit of metadata, the name and the description of the skill. What's really cool about skills is that your LLM is only going to read that little bit of metadata to determine whether or not it should invoke that skill while answering a question. And as you know, context window and tokens are incredibly valuable when working with LLMs, so this is a great way to optimize on that front. And after you're done writing your name and your description, you can drop in the full instruction for that skill below and add any scripts or tools that you want your skills to have access to. So then when the LLM decides, hey, I want to process an invoice, it's going to invoke that skill, subsequently run any scripts or tools that you wanted to run as part of that skill. Some of you clever people may be wondering, what is the difference between this and MCP, which stands for Model Context Protocol? And you may also be wondering, why do we need skills and why do we need MCP? Or even why do we need both? MCP is deterministic in nature. That means the tools you have in your MCP server allow AI to have access to external data. So an analogy of cooking, you can think of MCP as ingredients. And on the other hand, you can think of skills as recipes. Skills effectively tell AI how to cook something safely and use ingredients as part of the process of cooking. And in this case, ingredients could be your MCP tools, or it could be a Python script. Whatever you want the executable environment to actually call. So I'm wondering, what do you guys think about skills? Are you using skills? Are you sticking with just MCP? Let us know in the comments below.